I'm going to show you how you can easily add an athlete to your Instagram profile. First, navigate to the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, go to the Profile tab at the bottom. Next, tap the three bars icon in the top right corner to open Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap the Account Type and Tools option. You have to make sure that your account is public. Otherwise, switch it to a professional account. To get professional tools, tap Continue and then select the category. After that, search and choose the athlete category from the list. Tap Done to apply changes and select Creator if you are. Otherwise, select Business. Now, tap Continue to set up your professional account. Once the setup is finished, you'll be able to see this category on your profile. You can do the same by navigating to the Edit Profile option. Simply select the category which describes you best and then save the changes.